This is the boat named Dem2 and Ferris and we are on it.
This is inside a ship. A whole cafe, almost a cafe. Or a restaurant, almost. My God, Christ. By the way, we are not going over here. We are going in. Boom. So, this is so cool outdoor, but we are not gonna sit over here. Instead, we are gonna go back to where we were. But in 3, wait, in 3, 2, 1. See, guys, wow. So guys, look, another ship. Hi ship. You can see the water moving, but in the sun it looks frozen solid, like ice almost in the sun. Oh my God! Like literally, guys. Deep, bro. Wait a little far. A second. See, guys. And like, yeah. Wait a second. See that? Look, guys. You see that right there? That thing. That's a building right there. A literal building. See? So much buildings, and that's the window edge. Oh. So we are gonna go over there in 3, 2, 1. Grow. And I'm gonna show you the reel in 3, 2, 1.
Look here.